Gorgeously styled 4-bedroom home in popular Roberta Farms community. Mature trees edge the fenced backyard, providing shade and privacy. Enjoy the 3-car garage. New roof 2008 and new appliances in 2019 and 2020. Wood floors, quartz counters, lovely floor plan and tastefully decorated to move right in. Hard to find wood-burning fireplace for cozy winter nights. Bayed breakfast area with coffee or buffet station nearby. Huge bonus room or 4th bedroom. Master bedroom with wood floors and can accommodate several pieces of large furniture. Big deck outside provides a second outdoor living room and the fenced backyard, a big outdoor play space for kids and pups. Wooden playset conveys as well as washer and dryer. Close to I-85, 485, 20 minutes to Uptown and 5 minutes to Lowe's in Harrisburg. Showings start Saturday, open house Saturday the 12th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m.